Welcome, car lovers. Today we dive into a story that marks the end of an era and the dawn of a new one. The legendary BMW Z4, once a symbol of open-top thrills and precision engineering, is about to pass the torch to something radically different. The 2026 BMW Z4 Replacement isn't just another roadster, it's the rebirth of the sports car for an electric age, a machine sculpted to keep your pulse racing while moving silently into the future. The design instantly grabs you. Long hood, low stance, short overhangs, all the classic proportions of a true roadster are there, but now sharpened by futuristic lines and aerodynamic purpose. The nose is sleek, framed by slim LED laser headlights, while the kidney grille has been reimagined as a closed, sculpted panel, feeding air where it's needed. The body flows like liquid metal, muscular yet elegant, with pronounced fenders that hint at the power beneath. Even at a standstill, it looks alive, like it's ready to leap forward the moment your foot touches the pedal. Slide inside, and you'll see BMW's designers blending tradition with innovation. The driver's seat sits low, cocooning you in a cockpit that feels intimate and precise. A curved OLED display stretches across the dash, giving you instant access to performance data and navigation, while minimal physical controls keep the cabin clean and modern. Sustainable materials line the interior, from premium vegan leather to carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting bathes everything in a glow that changes with your driving mode. It feels futuristic, yet unmistakably BMW, but the true story is performance. The Z4 Replacement rides on BMW's Neue Klasse EV platform, pairing lightweight construction with next-generation battery technology. At its heart lies a dual-motor setup producing around 480 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque that thrust rockets this electric roadster from 0 to 60 mAh in just 3.7 seconds, with a top speed electronically capped at 55 mAh. The 82 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated 300 miles of range, and thanks to ultra-fast charging, you can add 200 miles in under 20 minutes. Driving it is a revelation. Instant torque delivers the kind of surge no gas-powered Z4 could ever match, while adaptive suspension and near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution ensure the car dances through corners with precision. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, keeps it planted, while BMW's engineers have tuned the sound generator to deliver an artificial but thrilling soundtrack that rises and falls with your throttle. It's electric, but it still stirs the soul like a true sports car should. And then comes the question of price. BMW positions this car not as a toy, but as an attainable dream for enthusiasts. Expect a starting figure around $75,000, climbing higher with performance and luxury options. In return, you don't just buy a car, you buy into the future of BMW Roadsters, a continuation of passion and freedom reimagined for a new era. The 2026 BMW Z4 Replacement proves that the thrill of the open road is far from gone. It's alive, electric, and more captivating than ever. The legend continues, only now, it whispers instead of roars, yet the feeling behind the wheel will leave your heart pounding all the same. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to NextDrive, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest cinematic car reviews. Share it with fellow car lovers and be part of a community that celebrates speed, design, and innovation. The future of driving is here. Let's experience it together.